Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this drafting chair that I think that if you have a specific job or a specific need for this super tall chair, because that is what a drafting chair is, meaning that you can actually be sitting like in a super tall position like this one, for example. I'm at a 42 inches right now, so I can't touch the floor for sure, but this is a really good one for those scenarios like, for example, if you're working as a cashier and you have a really tall cashier machine or something like that, or if you're working with one of those like super big drawing desks or something like that that you need to be drawing, or you need to be like kind of like standing and sitting all day, this could be a really good one just for those scenarios. It's not a regular chair, but you can transform it as a regular chair. You can just do this and go down, and just now it's a regular chair like in any other office chair, which I think it is good because this is a comfy one but also a space saver one. So again, 42 inches, I can go up. I also have a footrest right there, so I can actually stand and have some support when I'm hopping out on this chair. Also, another things that I have right here, you're gonna see that these ones are gonna be flippable armrests. So that is why I was just saying that this is also a space saver chair, because you can put it down and then you can put it in storage mode under your desk. So that's gonna save some space. Breathable and elastic mesh fabric over here, so it's gonna give you that really nice support. And this one, which is super firm, supports 300 pounds. So that's actually quite a lot of weight based on the size of this chair. And this right here, you can actually see that I can modify the lumbar support over here, which has a cushion. It has a really nice cushion over here that is gonna give you that really nice sitting experience when you're sitting or standing for long periods of time on this chair. So again, this chair is 300 pounds, super easy assemble. Everything is explained right here in this instructions manual, so it's super easy to assemble, but you're not gonna regret it. This is a nice one, up to 42 inches with the footrest, and of course really nice cushion, as well as the breathable fabric and the adjustable lumbar support over here. Like it, I do recommend it. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.